In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to send an urgent message on Microsoft Teams. This feature is incredibly useful for those critical moments when you need someone's immediate attention and can't wait for them to spot your message amongst their regular notifications. An urgent message in Teams will notify the recipient repeatedly until they read it, ensuring your critical information doesn't get missed. So let's walk through the simple steps to effectively use this powerful communication tool and make sure your important communications stand out. First, you'll need to create a new message or access an existing chat within Microsoft Teams. Whether you're initiating a fresh conversation with a colleague or sending an urgent update in an ongoing team chat, the process begins in the same fundamental way. Simply navigate to your chat section, usually found on the left-hand navigation pane, and either click on the new chat icon, often located at the top of your chat list, or select the specific individual or group conversation where you intend to send this time-sensitive message. Once you've opened the correct chat window, you'll see the message compose box at the bottom, ready for your input. Next, you'll need to locate and click on the plus icon. This small but important symbol is often found positioned just to the left of your message input field at the bottom of the chat window. While it might seem unassuming, clicking this icon is your gateway to a range of additional message options that go beyond just typing plain text. This is a crucial step as it expands a small menu, revealing various functionalities, including the advanced delivery settings that allow you to escalate the priority of your message from standard to urgent. Once that menu appears after clicking the plus icon, your third step is to click on Set Delivery Options. This particular option is specifically designed to give you precise control over how your message reaches the recipient and the level of notification it triggers. Standard messages simply appear in the chat feed, while other settings can be marked for higher visibility. By selecting Set Delivery Options, you are explicitly instructing Teams that you wish to adjust the notification behavior for this specific message, moving beyond the default settings to ensure it truly stands out. Now, with the delivery options displayed in front of you, your fourth step is to click on Urgent. You'll typically see three distinct choices presented: Standard, Important, and Urgent. Selecting Urgent is what activates Teams' most aggressive and persistent notification method. What this means in practice is that the recipient will receive notifications about your message every 2 minutes for a total duration of 20 minutes, or until they open and read it. This persistent alerting mechanism is specifically designed for truly critical situations where an immediate response or acknowledgement is absolutely essential. It's a powerful tool, so use it judiciously and responsibly. Fifth, it's time to type your message. Since you've already marked this message as urgent, it's imperative to ensure its content is clear, concise, and directly addresses the critical nature of your communication. Avoid any unnecessary jargon, overly lengthy explanations, or extraneous details. Get straight to the point, conveying only the essential information that requires immediate attention. Remember, the recipient is being repeatedly notified, so the message itself should undoubtedly justify that level of interruption. Take a moment to double-check for any typos or unclear phrasing to ensure your urgent message is understood instantly. Finally, after meticulously crafting your urgent message, the very last step is to simply click the Send button. This is usually represented by a paper airplane icon, conveniently located to the far right of your message input field. Once you click Send, your message will be immediately dispatched, and the urgent notification protocol will be activated for the recipient. You'll typically see a distinct red urgent tag appended next to your message within the chat, unequivocally confirming its high priority status. Always take a final moment to review your message one last time before sending to confirm it's accurate and appropriately urgent.